Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix most ID.me verification problems with one simple trick. If your ID.me verification keeps falling, looping, or getting stuck, it's usually not because your info is wrong. So most of the time, it's because the system can't clearly read your ID photo. So here is the trick. Don't take the ID photo inside the ID.me screen. Instead, open your normal phone camera app and take the photo there first. So that usually gives you a cleaner, sharper picture. So do it like this. Go near a window or a bright area. Put your ID on a dark, plain background like a black shirt or a dark table. Turn off flash because flash can cause glare. Hold your phone steady, tap the screen to focus on the text. And make sure the whole ID is fully in the frame. No cut off edges, no fingers covering details. And before you upload, zoom in a photo or zoom in the photo. If you can't easily read your name, ID number, and expiration date, retake it. If your ID is shiny, tilt it slightly until the glare disappears. Then go back to ID.me and upload that clear photo from your gallery. So this is helpful because ID.me is super strict about photo quality, so even a small blur or reflection can cause a fail. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.